Hey guys, it's Pandora the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you guys. I'm back, guys. Before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Now, I'm back with TextBot AI. Want to go over with you some offline marketing and just want to talk about the system. Okay, it is a software. This SMS texting software helps you generate leads. Okay, it does not come with leads. Some people get that confused. It does not come with leads in your back office. It's going to help you generate leads. How so? Because the company gives you your own marketing number. Okay, so let me show you. We go down. Here's mine. Everybody's assigned their own marketing number. So when you promote this, your number, when you give this out and you promote it and you post your number, different places, you mail out postcards, whatever you do to promote your number, when people call that number from their cell phone, that is a lead. Now their number goes into your back office of your TextBot system. Okay, so that's a lead you just generated. Okay, so it helps you generate leads. It comes with training. Okay, a plethora of training to help you promote this system. It also helps you with your primary business. If you have a primary business, whatever it is, it's going to help you with that too, because the system allows you to put that primary link in your back office, which we'll go over there in a second. You can put that link in the back office, and Ava, your automated virtual assistant, will lead people to that as well. So you actually getting 2 for 1. You're able to promote TextBot itself and make $100 over and over and over, and promote whatever your primary business is. Okay, and it's a simple system. It's set up pretty much. All you have to do, go in here, buy your credits, and set up your payment methods. How do you want to get paid? Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. Set up your payment option. You're done. The system will assign you a random number. Okay, this is your marketing number, and you just market this everywhere. I'm going to show you some strategies here in a second. And it comes fully loaded with training. That's what I love about it. Okay, plug and play training, simple, easy strategies that anybody can do. Now, it is 2 products with it. You decide, which product level you come in at. You have your Ava Basic, which is going to cost you $150. Okay, and then plus $10 for your credits. Okay, because remember, the virtual assistant has to chat with your people, and that's where the texting credits is going to come into play. Then they have the Ava Plus, which allows you to make $500 commissions, and that will be $550. If you want to go all in, it's $550. If you just want the $100 level, it's $150. Okay. Not to mention, guys, the commissions you're going to make on the one-ups. Okay. TextBot has their comp plan is a one-up. Your very first sale you keep, but your second sale get passed up to your sponsor. So just imagine you have 5 people you signed up, right, at the $100 level. That's $500 you made, but each of those people owe you their second sale. Okay, so that's another $500. So they're going to pass up. Each of those 5 will pass up 5, and each of those 5 is going to owe you their second sale. Okay, and so on. And those second sales will just keep coming up, because every person you sign up owes you the second sale. Okay, so those $100 commissions is going to go on and on and on. For everybody you sign up, that's a new pay line. Just think of it that way. Okay, so this could be unlimited income potential with a $150 investment. Okay, just with $150, you can make quite a bit of $100 commissions. Okay, so just think about that. So let's go take a look at the back office, because I want to show you guys this specific training. Okay, hang on a second. Now, this is a training that's in the back office, so check this out. Franco does the training for the company. and he does a wonderful job. I love the way he explains everything. He keeps it very simple, especially for the newbies. But this specific training, okay, he gives you a solo ad vendor, okay, and he talks about how you need a lead capture page, okay. Yes, TextBot comes with a marketing funnel. However, you're not collecting the leads yourself, okay. You want an email follow-up series, okay. So I use the Conversion Pros. So anyone that joins me, if you're interested in that, you can go check out my page. Go to www.easyprofit100.com. I'll put the link below, and you can get my share codes, okay, because I've created numerous capture pages. So he talks about that. He tells you this in the training. So you can get traffic here, but you want to get a lead capture page, okay. And the Conversion Pros, I have everything already set up with an autoresponder and all that. So you have your capture page and your email follow-up series, and then you want to send them to your TextBot presentation where Jeff does all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to explain it. And then you can do follow-up text, and you share your number, okay? Now, he also gives you a sample ad, guys, right here. You can take this ad and put it wherever you want, Craigslist, social media, what have you. Now, I'm going to show you a place where I send this ad. I can send this ad out every day for 25 cents. Just copying this ad, okay? I'll put the link below where you can email any ad, but just showing you here's a sample that he's giving you. You can email any ad. It's called an email solo blaster. You'll log into it every day, and you can send a email blast to 396,000 people every day, fresh buyers, okay? So here you have it, an ad. Copy this and put your TextBot number here and your link, guys. There you have it, okay? So log in your back office. There's a plethora of training back there. Now, all you need to do is log in, get your phone number, and then go in and set up your payment methods. But they have a new member training, okay, that you can go back here. Let me show you where that is. Click on training and go, hang on, that logged me out. So you click on training and you can go right here, guys. Every week they have a new member training right here. Okay, so let's click on dashboard actually, and so I'm going to show you where you can register right here. Tuesday is tech training, so any technical questions you may have, register here and get on the Tuesday tech training at 3 p.m. Eastern time. If you miss it, they have it pre-recorded. They also have the new membership orientation training every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. Register here. If you miss it, the training is back here. So all you have to do is go back here, and here's all the training, okay? So I highly recommend you go here and check out the new membership training. They walk you through everything for a setup. I love that, because especially the new people, because they feel they don't know how to tell their people to set up everything. So now you don't have to worry about it. Everybody, as soon as they log in, they're going to see this. But you can let them know that, hey, make sure you get on that new orientation, new member orientation training, okay? Get your questions answered, because they will be live there, and you can just go in the chat and ask them questions, okay? So, in the back office right here, here's your phone number. If you're on the dashboard, your number will be there, and the company gives you 2 links that you can promote. Everything is right here. Now, when you join me, I have some extra strategies that I can give you. But let me show you. I have my own customized postcard. Okay, so when you join me, if you're interested in mailing postcards, I can give you access to this, and I'll send you 200 leads if you're interested in mailing postcards. 200 leads to get you started and access to this card. Okay, let me show you something else that I've got. I've got these drop cards. Okay, you can get 100 of these when you join me. You'll get to put your number, your TextBot number on these, and you can drop these whenever you're out and about. Okay? This is easy, simple stuff, guys. Rejection free. You're not bugging people, any of that. Okay, so they look like $100 bills, but we fold them up like so, okay, in half, and then you just drop these when you're out and about at the grocery store, wherever you are when you're out and about. Have these in your car or your purse, and you just drop them discreetly, okay, one or two here or there, and you've marketed your business, okay, that way. Or just mail these bad boys as well. But this is simple stuff, okay? Now, I also talked to you guys about this last time I was on, sticky note marketing, okay? This is one of the old network marketing strategies I learned back in the day. Look at here, sticky note marketing. See, I have a stack of these. I ordered these guys from Vistaprint, okay? If you join me and you want my template, you can get my template already created, and all you have to do is put your number there. Okay, you see these sticky notes? That's cheap marketing. Okay, so when you're out and about, see, I have a stack of these. When you're out and about, you happen to go get gas, you just pull one off and stick it. I showed you guys how I did that. I made a post and showed you how to put these like on ATMs. You can put these at the gas pump. You can put these in the restaurant when you go to the restroom. Put one on the mirror. Okay? Put one on the stall door. Okay? Simple marketing. I have a guy that ordered a whole bunch of these, and he said what he's going to do is go to apartment complexes and just stick them on people's doors. He also said he's going to do these on cars. You know how people put flyers on cars, but most of the time they do it wrong. They end up putting them on your windshield, and that's not the place you want to put flyers. So you stick it on the window, the driver's side. Okay, so he's ordered a whole bunch of these, and he's going to stick them on folks' car doors. Okay, so many ways you can do these sticky notes, but it's very low cost marketing. Okay, so there's really no excuses for anybody not to be able to be successful with this. Even for the folks that say, well, I don't want to talk to people. Perfect. You got these. You got the postcards, because it's going to drive people to the system. Let the system do all the heavy lifting, okay? Now, let me show you my new marketing tool I just added, okay? I've got this shirt, Boss Free. And here's my TechSpot number, okay? I got this shirt, guys, for 14 bucks. Okay, so you mean to tell me you wouldn't spend $14 and maybe $10 on sticky notes to be able to make $100 per sale or $500 per sale? Okay, even the postcards didn't cost much to market. $36 for one roll of stamps of 100 people. Okay, even if you did that once a week, that's 100 people you're mailing to. Okay, to be able to make $100. And all you have to do is spend $150 to get this tool. It's well worth it. Okay. Here's a simple page. Look at it. It's very simple. I created this in the Conversion Pros. I ran some traffic to it. I have tons of leads with this little simple page with this lady in the background holding a phone. And I have here 100 again and again. So many people opted in to this page, guys. We keep it simple. So again, when you join me, if you're interested in my capture page system, let me know. I'll get it all, help you get this set up, give you the share code so you can get these same pages. Okay, so TextBot AI, $150 to get started. Okay, so again, go check this out. Call my number. Let me put it back up on the screen. 845-253-6408. Get started with me. Look forward to working with you. I do offer one-on-one ongoing support. Okay? Now, that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay? Till next time, guys. See you on the next video. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day.